Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. Well, sometimes we do go through a lot in life, whether it's a mental health issue, not feeling well in our body, grief, or something else that you find hard to talk about. Washing our hair always have to wait until you are able to recollect yourself back. So whatever it is you might be going through, me and my little daughter sending you love and hugs your way. Well, I had this hair for the last 3 months without washing it, and it was a back to back applying gel after gel or just throwing in a wig, and I constantly planned to wash it, but I did not get actually time to do it. My hair was so dirty, and wash days can be very overwhelming. I believe you've experienced this before, so you don't want to mix it with other things. Well, when I finally got around to do it, if you find yourself in a situation like this, don't panic. It happens every now and again, and don't rush to wash your hair. Take your time and finally create time to do it when you feel much better on yourself. When you get around on washing your hair, you want to try and put your hair in section. Remember, you want to make sure your scalp is completely clean. By putting your hair in sections, it gives you more room to work on your scalp directly, and it also saves time. Remember, healthy hair starts from the scalp. After putting your hair in sections, you want to start by running your hair in lukewarm water. This helps to break the product buildup or the dust that you had on your hair. So my hair was actually had a lot of gel, so I'm just running it through water first to help me remove the gel before I start applying the shampoo. If you can get a clarifying shampoo, your hair will benefit a lot from it, as it removes buildups or any styling products your hair has, or any dirt your hair has accumulated all the time you had it on without washing. So it also resets the hair. So I'm using Sheamoisture Jamaica Black Castor Strengthening and Restoring Shampoo, which this product will leave your hair and scalp very clean. So you want to lather the shampoo in your hands, and you want to massage it on the scalp. This helps with the scalp circulation, and it also promotes hair growth and avoid any damage on the scalp. And also you want to use your palm of your hands to massage your scalp. You want to avoid your fingertips. They're not that gentle to your scalp. Another struggle with natural hair is scalp conditions. Scalp conditions like dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp, flakes. Every now and again, I find myself in this category. Let me know in the comment section below, do you find yourself with scalp condition? I do experience this a lot every now and again. Sometimes if I use styling gels, if I use some gels for braiding, I do find myself with flakes. And there's nothing much on the market. I will not find something to help me with the dry scalp. I will not find something to really help me with itchy scalp. So the only thing we can do about it is to try and manage it. So if you have a scalp massager, I do find using a scalp massager helps to condition the scalp, and also it might help with the scalp condition like dandruff, itchy scalp. So it helps to clean the scalp well. So you want to take your time with each section while you're washing your hair, just to make sure your hair is clean, and also your scalp is also very clean. Another big struggle I find myself with is tangle. I don't know if your hair do tangle, but my 4C hair do tangles a lot. It's one of the big problems that cause breakage, and if you have breakage in your hair, you won't have length retention, you won't see any hair growing in your hair, and it's just a lot to deal with if your hair is breaking. So if you do experience tangle after wash day, I do experience this a lot. So what you want to do, you want to try and wash your hair in braids, or you want to try and wash your hair in twist. This minimize the tangle. By putting your hair in twist or braid on your wash day, you will actually see improvement in your hair tangle, and it's actually a game changer. When I started washing my hair in braids and in twist, my hair has really improved with tangles a lot. So let me know in the comment section below, which one do you struggle with a lot? Do you struggle with tangles? Do you struggle with hair breakage, or do you actually struggle with scalp condition? Which one do you struggle with a lot? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I just went ahead and make sure that my hair was really clean, so I worked in every section. So you want to make sure your hair really gets the good benefit of using a clarifying shampoo by making sure you work in each and every section, and making sure you try and tangle your hair while you are washing your hair. If you have a tangling conditioner, you can do that before you go in the shower, but because my hair was really dirty, I couldn't do that. So this is the reason why I am trying to tangle my hair and put it back in braids so that it doesn't tangle. So then you want to go ahead and rinse off your hair just to remove all the shampoo and make sure the hair is well rinsed. So another struggle I find with natural hair is the hair products are very expensive. I don't know if it is where you are, but where I live, the products are very expensive. If you have to get a very good product, it is very expensive. So you might want to use maybe a DIY product, or you can make it yourself, what really works for you. But if you can't, you can actually stretch yourself and buy very good product, because for this product also to work well on your hair, you want to use a generous amount of them, and you find they're just sometimes they become so expensive. I don't know, but this is my point of view on the products. Since I started my journey with natural hair, the products have become so expensive, and the good ones are even more expensive. Then you want to make sure you use a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner will restore moisture that has been lost during shampooing, and also it will also repair your hair if your hair has been damaged. It also will soften your hair, and it will also hydrate your hair. So I'm using Sheamoisture intensive hydrating hair mask, Manuka honey and marufa mask. So these for this deep conditioner, you can stay with it for 30 minutes. There is a direction of use just at the back of this container, or you can just stay with it for 5 minutes, then you can go ahead and wash your hair. So you want to make sure while you are applying a deep conditioner, this is the right time for you to comb your hair and also further detangle your hair. This will help a lot this will help you a lot with tangling, and also your hair is soft at this particular stage. So you want to still untangle, pass a wide tooth comb from the hands towards the roots. This avoid unnecessary pulling of the hair from the roots. So let me know in the comment section below if you also deep condition your hair. Another struggle with natural hair is you will find your hair everywhere, in your lounge, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your filming area. Oh, it's everywhere. My hair do fall off every now and again, and my daughter sometimes just bring them to me in her hands, and I'm like, oh, where did you get that hair from? It's everywhere. It's just everywhere, anytime, everywhere. Everybody will know that you have natural hair because it will be everywhere in the house. Then I went ahead and covered my hair with this grocery bag for 5 minutes. But if you want high intensive deep conditioning, you can go and sit under heat cap for 30 minutes. Then I'm just going to rinse this. Deep conditioner off. Then I'm going to moisture my hair. I'm going to use Camille Rose Fresh Curl, and this is the one with avocado and castor oil. It's a very good hair smoothener. Then I'm going to seal it with oil as for me to have a long-lasting moisture on my fuzzy hair. Remember, my hair was very dirty and my hair was dry and my scalp was really dry, and I had very dirty hair. So this wash day can take a little bit time, and it can be a little bit longer because you want your hair to be clean and you want to do everything and you want to make sure you bring back the moisture. I was really happy that I was nearly done. So I'm just going to show you. I don't know if you're going to see, but my hair is really clean and it's really feeling very soft. So I'm just going to shower, then I'm going to moisture my hair. So if you don't know how to moisture your hair, I did a video showing you how to. I'll link it to the description box below so that you can go and check it out. So I'm just going to moisture with Camille Rose hair smoother. So this one is with avocado and castor oil. And then I'm going to use castor oil to seal it. I find castor oil is a very lightweight oil and it does really work well on my hair. So I'm just going to apply the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. Then I'm applying the castor oil to seal in the moisture. With this method, it helps the hair to retain moisture for a long period of time. As we are in a very drying season at the moment, you want to make sure your hair is moisture. You know your moisture circle. When your hair is dry, you want to make sure you spray with water, then you apply a water-based leave-in conditioner just to make sure your hair is moistured. You don't want to have a very dry hair, as very dry hair is prone to breakage. So I'm just going to do this all over my hair, and I'm still using Camille Rose. This is a very good leave-in conditioner and my hair really loves it. It's a little bit thick, but my hair does really love this conditioner. So let me know, have you used this Camille Rose leave-in conditioner before? It's really good on typhoid hair. Then you want to make sure at night, just to have more moisture at night, you want to make sure you sleep with a silk pillow or a silk bonnet. This will help you to retain moisture in your natural hair. Then you want to make sure you oil your scalp. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'll actually use this castor oil. I find it is a lightweight oil. Then you want to make sure you massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp helps with blood circulation, hence promote hair growth. So all these are some of the struggle we get in through when you have natural hair. So let me know, do you find yourself do you sometimes find wash day being overwhelming? Do you suffer from scalp condition like dandruffs, itchy scalp, dry scalp? And do you actually find the products where you live or where you are very expensive? Let me know. I really love to hear from you. And yes, I'll really love to hear from you, and I will be so glad. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so that when I upload any video, you will be the first one to get notified and you don't miss any uploads from my channel. And I want to also to thank you so much for the support, for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now this process, you want to make sure you leave your hair for a few days on a protective style. Don't over manipulate it. Your hair has gone through a stressful moment and it's really need to rest, and you need to leave your hair alone for a few days before you start manipulating again. So my hair is ready. I'm just going to oil it, then that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that when I upload the next video you will be the first one to get notified. Thank you and bye bye.